Hi, boys and girls. I wanted to clarify a little bit on this week's assignment. This week's assignment is by no means supposed to be difficult, take up all of your time, or stress you out. Instead, I've cut it down into bite-sized pieces, and it's supposed to be fun. So let me read what I had for you on Monday. On Monday was day one. You've learned that inventions are created to meet needs or solve problems. Can you think of a device you could invent to meet a need? Think of a problem that your device would solve. List the steps you would follow to design and build a new device. Complete a table with the following columns to record at least 3 different ideas and plans. Human need, new technology, to meet need, how new technology works. Problems new technology solves. Illustrate and label a model of your invention. With that being said, all I did Monday through Thursday was cut up your assignment in pieces. So, the first day, maybe I had you think, what is a possible need that I have? Or what is a device I could build? Today's assignment on Thursday, it's actually, so that I don't give you the wrong thing, let me actually read it off. I don't want to give you wrong information. So I've asked you to continue working on the invention, but to provide an illustration. That means give me a drawing. Can you draw it out for me? Can you actually show me how the front side, the sides, and the top of your invention looks like? Or if you don't want to draw it, take a picture of it, send it to me through Class Dojo or a text. You can always just describe it. So type it up. Say, well, my device is pink and round, and this is what it looks like from the side. So that's all I'm asking you to do for today. All of these pieces will come together tomorrow on Friday, where you're actually giving me everything and saying, like, this is how I built it, this is what was needed, this is the problem it is solving, this is what it looks like. All I did was just cut it up for you. So don't complicate it. If you missed a certain day, go back and do that step so that it can be easier for you on Friday's assignment. If you have any questions, always call me, text me, let me know, but please do not stress about it. And I think somebody asked, do we have to actually build it? If you want to, I'm not asking you to go buy any supplies. If you want to, if a parent wants to help you, and if you guys kind of want to put your ideas together and be safe about it at the same time, go ahead.